If you follow the business of global aviation, you'll likely recognize that the two names of Boeing and Airbus dominate the scene when it comes to aircraft purchases, which can often see deals of billions of dollars when it comes to new aircraft purchases. With the vast majority of the international airline fleet made up of Boeing and Airbus aircraft, it is highly likely the next flight you're on will use an aircraft from either aircraft manufacturing company. This is especially true in China, in the fast-growing aviation market, where the country's main airlines operate a mixed fleet of Boeing and Airbus aircraft. However, the Chinese government is now looking for the future as it seeks to challenge the duopoly of Boeing and Airbus with its own line of competing commercial aircraft, reducing its dependency on importing aircraft for its airlines. To do this, the Chinese government has created a special entity named the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, or COMAC for short. The state-run initiative was founded in May of 2008 with its headquarters in Shanghai's Pudong district. At present, it has developed and currently building short-range, narrow-body aircraft, while plans have been revealed for long-range aircraft that will be produced in the future. The first aircraft that was built by COMAC was the ARJ-21, a short-range regional twin-jet, which some have compared to the McDonnell Douglas MD-80 and the MD-90. It has a reported range of between 2,200 to 3,700 kilometers, with a capacity of anywhere between 78 to 105 seats. Initial development was started in 2003, before COMAC was formed, and it was still under the China Aviation Industry Corporation 1, which has produced some of China's military aircraft, before it was consolidated into COMAC. The project was delayed several times due to technical issues with the aircraft, which saw its first flight in 2008, but it didn't get its certification from Chinese aviation authorities until 2015. It is currently the only COMAC aircraft that is currently seeing operation by airlines, with 16 of the aircraft that have been delivered to Chinese domestic airlines. Among the airlines that are operating the ARJ-21 include Chengdu Airlines, Genghis Khan Airlines, and Urumqi Airlines, all based in China. With the experience of the ARJ-21, COMAC is looking to compete with the Airbus A320 and the Boeing 737 series with its entry of the short-range, narrow-body twin-jet, the C919. It will have a reported range of anywhere between 4,000 to 5,555 kilometers and a capacity of around 160 passengers. COMAC has set its sights on the future with this aircraft with a goal to sell 2,000 of the aircraft, which has a list price reportedly worth around $50 million US, which is more than half the price of the Boeing 737 or the Airbus A320 models that are currently in the market. COMAC currently has over 1,000 orders for the aircraft, again from mostly China's airlines, but includes the big three Chinese airlines of Air China, China Eastern, and China Southern, along with other airlines such as Hainan Airlines and Sichuan Airlines. The C919 is currently undergoing a test phase, but like the ARJ-21, it has experienced delays in development with the first flights expected to start around 2021. And COMAC is looking to get not just the Chinese Aviation Authority approval for the aircraft, but also from the US Federal Aviation Administration and the European authorities for market sale worldwide. As it currently works for its short-haul aircraft development, COMAC is also working for building long-range aircraft, as it partnered with Russian aviation manufacturer United Aircraft Corporation, which in the past has produced Tupolev and Ilyushin aircraft. COMAC and United Aircraft Corporation have formed the China-Russia Commercial Aircraft International Corporation in 2017. Research and development will take place in Russia, while the Chinese will handle the responsibility of building the aircraft. The group currently has plans for two long-range aircraft, the CR929 and the CR939. Both aircraft are reported to be long-range twin-jet aircraft that will be similar and will compete with Boeing's 777 and 787, as well as the Airbus A330 and A350 model aircraft. In several reports, the CR929 will have a capacity of over 250 passengers, and the first flights is planned for 2025. While China is ambitious with its aviation industry, in terms of manufacturing, it is decades behind Boeing and Airbus when it comes to industry experience, including building relationships between airlines that lead to sales. While gaining interest from Chinese airline companies, the main challenge for COMAC is ensuring their aircraft meet the standards of the US and European aviation authorities, which would open the door for selling the aircraft in other countries. That said, its main goal is to reduce the reliance on Boeing and Airbus aircraft as part of China's future development plans. What are your thoughts on the current product line of COMAC, and could China break its reliance on Airbus and Boeing aircraft? Could COMAC become the third major global aviation manufacturing company? Thank you for watching. This has been another edition of Flights in Asia, highlighting the news and updates from the aviation and travel scene in the Asia Pacific. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.